Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the text edit in your MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the launchpad. For opening the launchpad, if you want to open the launchpad from if you want to open the launchpad from your dock, you can also do that. If you want to open this through keyboard, then simply you have to press the F4 button and it will be open. Now simply what we need to do, we have to click on the text or edit option, this one. So let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, if you have any kind of document in the text format or the doc format, then you have to open that. That will be opened as well. If you want to create a new document, then simply you have to hit the new document and now you can start your typing text or whatever you want. As you can see, I have written this text. Now if you want to select this whole, then press the command A, and here you will be able to see some basic details like the font style and the format here, like the regular, or if you want to make it bold, or if you want to change the font size, or if you want to change the color as well, you can also do that. For example, I want this one, and they have also provided this, like if you want to click on this, and for example this one, all the things are provided here if you want to make it underline, bold, alignments, and some basic details as well. So in this way you can use your text edit in MacBook. It's easy to use, you just have to follow my steps, and after that you will be able to use this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use this on your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.